Welcome to our tutorial on utilizing QinPrinting book cover templates in Adobe Photoshop. Download the desired cover template from the QinPrinting website. Open the template. The last page is the blank template we need. Note the dimensions of this page. Open Adobe Photoshop, select Create New, and input the same dimensions as the last page of the PDF. Choose 300 for resolution, CMYK color for color mode, and Japan Color 2001 coded for color profile. In the New panel, select File Place and choose to place the template's last page. You'll see red bleed lines, blue trim lines, green safety lines, and positions for the book crease, spine, and wrap. Lock the layer with the template. Now you can start designing. Use high-resolution images in CMYK mode for your design. Extend the background image to the red bleed lines. It is recommended to put all important content within the green safety line. Once the design is complete, click to hide the template layer. Select Save As and save as a Photoshop PDF. In the Settings panel, choose High Quality Print and under the Output options, select Don't Include Profiles. Open the saved PDF. Select File Properties, then choose Fonts to ensure all fonts have the embedded subset symbol. To check image resolution, click Print Production Output Preview. Under Preview, select Object Inspector. Click on Images to view their resolution. Its recommended images have a resolution of 300 dpi. Congratulations! Now, you're ready to create stunning book covers with ease. Happy designing!